Wagwan foodies, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? Today I'm going to be making something soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. If you guessed fried dumpling, you guessed it right, otherwise called Johnny cake. So now let's get straight into the recipe. We're using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of melted butter. Set aside some milk or water to mix the dough. Combine everything and then use the liquid to make the dough. I'm using a spoon because I don't like how the dough feels on my hand, but afterwards, eventually, I will have to knead it out. So just knead this until everything is fully combined and then set the dough aside for at least an hour. When you set it aside, it makes the dough more elastic and more easier to work with. Once that is done, go roll out the dough, something just a little bit bigger than a golf ball. And then we're going to fry them on both sides until they're golden brown. Make sure so the oil not too hot, because if the oil too hot, the dumpling go burn. So you're going to turn them on both sides. Check, you can also use one of them to check to make sure the inside of it cook.
Yes, me, myself, and I in my shadow. Was born to be there. There is a roll call for Iman. Iman got to be there. Then we'll kill trouble and disaster.
Once it's cooked, remove it from the oil, get it on a grease paper to remove most of the oil from it, and then I'm having mine with some tin mackerel. This also tastes good with some brown stew chicken or curry chicken. If you like the video, remember to like, share and subscribe.